Well, I am a glutton for punishment. I couldn't bring myself to tear apart that Ref250 after I rebuilt it and got it all back together again. And instead, I traded it for a pair of absolutely disgusting Ref210s. This is what this looks like after I have cleaned it up. You can see how corroded all the traces are. You can see where somebody has attempted to cover up the traces here. It is rusty. It is crusty. I think it was kept in a barn, or I should say they were kept in a barn for a while. There's cat litter all over the inside of it. Yeah, look at all the corrosion in there. And this one I've taken the display out of it, but I got a pair of amplifiers complete with tubes, and believe it or not, they actually functioned as disgusting as they were, but I can't imagine they sound good like this. So I'm going to keep these chassis. I'm going to gut all of this and keep the output transformer and the chassis, and I'm going to design all new boards for it. I may not keep the original circuit. I may go with something new. I've got a special project I'm working with a special person on that might go in here. So you might be seeing this on the channel coming up in the future.